Hello friends, welcome to Magento tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how to create a routes.xml. So in the last video, we discussed about routing and how the basic flow in Magento. So in this video, we will create routes.xml. So basically, we have three sections like front name, controller path, action class. So today we will create this one, and in the next video I will discuss about this controller and action class. Okay, now let's get started with creating this routes.xml. Basically, this routes.xml we can find it in module directory under the etc frontend folder or etc adminhtml. These are the two areas we can add this routes.xml. It depends on the requirement. So this is the routes.xml code. You have to put that in the routes.xml file. Go to your Magento root directory. C XAMPP htdocs empty4. This is my Magento root directory. So here you will find app, code. In the last video, we have created the basic structure of the module, webdev, hello world. So here you will find this etc. Go to etc. Here you need to create one folder like either frontend or adminhtml. So if the route is useful for frontend, you need to add this routes.xml in the etc frontend. If this route is useful for the admin, you have to create that in the etc admin.html folder. So right now I don't have this frontend folder. You need to create this under etc. This is my etc folder. Now I have to create this frontend. You see here, etc frontend. Go to the frontend, copy this code, create one file here. Name is routes.xml. So for this routes.xml, the first letter should be small letter. Okay. Now I have created this file. This file is empty. You have to put the code. Okay. You see here the routes.xml. It is empty file. So I will add this code. You see here the first tag is the XML version. For every XML file, you should mention this XML version. So this is the config tag. Inside of this config, you have to put your whatever the route you want to create it. So if you're creating for the module, then you have to put it here module code. Okay. So here you see in this config tag, at the end you will see this path routes.xst, because this tells that Magento this is a routes XML. So if you are putting that module.xst, that means it is a module.xml. Okay. So like that, if you're creating any theme, it should be a themes.xst, like that. Right now I'm creating this routes.xml for the front end. So this is just for a unique identification purpose. You can put any of the ID which is available in the Magento. Okay. Right now I'm just putting that standard. Under this router, you will find this root tag where you will define this ID and the front name. This ID is a unique name that is equals to the front name. Okay. In general, you can put any name, but most of the times we will add this whatever the front name you are adding here. We will add the same for the ID also. Okay. So what you will put in the front name? In the front name, you will put this whatever the module name you have. So my module name. Okay, right now I'm just putting the hello world. Whatever the name you have given for the module, just put that in the front name. Okay, that is easy to identify. Whatever the value you are given for the front name, just add the same for the ID also. Inside of this root, we have this module. So you have to define here your module name. Okay, so my module name is webdev underscore hello world. Here it's just a simple thing. You have to remember the few points like router ID, root ID, front name, module name. Okay, so all are small letters except this module name. So you see here, this is how we can create the routes.xml. Okay, thanks for watching.